I'm Mr. Celeste, and I'm one of the agriculture teachers here at Weston Ranch High School. In our department, I teach the agriculture mechanics classes, which include Intro to Ag Mechanics, Ag Wood 1, Advanced Wood, Welding 1, Advanced Welding, Power Ag Mechanics, and Ag Construction. When students take our classes, they are automatically enrolled in the National FFA organization, which focuses on premier leadership, personal growth, and career success. Students are also required to complete an SAE project, which stands for Supervised Agriculture Experience. This project takes the knowledge that they learn from the classroom and the leadership skills that they learn from the FFA and make a project out of it. Currently, we have students doing different projects such as metalworking, woodworking, raising an animal such as a steer, pig, goat, lamb, and chicken. And we have students that are working at an ag facility or ag business.
My name is Kevin Arteaga, Stockton Weston Ranch FFA Chapter Vice President. I'm going to talk to you guys about my FFA experiences. So far, my experiences in the FFA have been meeting new people, learning new things, and most importantly, refining the skills I've learned. One of the skills have came from the welding shop, especially a machine called the CNC plasma cutter, where I could make signs, barbecue grills, and smokers.
Hey everyone, my name is Ms. Gutierrez. I'm the ag teacher here at Weston Ranch. I teach a couple of different classes here. I teach floriculture, animal science, small animal care. We do vet science, and a little bit of intro to welding. Here at Weston Ranch, we have a lot of diverse programs that you guys can get into. We have the animal science pathways, from learning from all the basics of what is a cow, what are the proper terminologies, to how to give proper administration of injections and medication to different variety of animals from small to large. Within our floriculture program here at Weston Ranch, students are able to get the hands-on experience and create different varieties from arrangements, from personal bouquets to blood vases to even large arrangements for funerals, weddings, things like that. Over the past few years, students have gotten the experience and the opportunity to help create and do floral arrangements for various weddings, and that's something that you guys could be interested, if you're interested in, to be able to do.